Hey guys, we're back with another video. This video will be called Farm Tour. Let's go. As you know, you might know, we have a lot of stuff. And let's go to my dog at first. It's an American Bully. It costed 5,000 pesos, but in dollars it'd probably be $250 about. Yeah, 250 maybe. This is a very nice dog. He loves playing ball and catching stuff, playing with me and stuff like that. Right, Jack? And its name is called Jack. And there's a raccoon skin. My brother skinned it. Yeah. And they're my brother's dirt bike. We have a sports coordinator out there. And now we will be going on to my chicken. Right here. My chickens are a little messy around here. And yeah. He has chickens too. He has Bantam. But these are just laying hens. We'll show you how much eggs they got right now.
Oh man.
I'll get the hen off.
Somebody in there.
I've seen like 2 hens in there at the same time.
This is how you gotta do it. Get those out, put your hat like that over the head, and then look at that kind of blue one.
There's 7 eggs. I'll show you this blue one outside. I think this is the bluest one I've ever had before. And yeah, I've never had a bluer one than this.
It's pretty blue.
And if you wonder why my dog is so muscular, I feed him lots of eggs. And yeah, feed him lots of eggs and good dog food. And, yeah. He likes his eggs. Sometimes I make him stew. I always crack an egg, put it in his dog food, and then stir around. He has his very good food. And now we will be going on to our shop, maybe just in the back. And I also have a parakeet, and otherwise called a budgie. And these are all our solar panels, like this. All these boxes are filled with solar panels. And
This is what their job is.
yeah, we sell solar panels, mini splits, batteries, and we have an old tractor back there. It's the one that my grandpa used when he was alive. He's not alive anymore. And we have some on the roof out there. You might be able to see them from here.
What happened with your fish pond?
Yeah. They closed. I used to have a big fish pond here and a smoker out there. And then somebody drove it under on accident and it was over.
Yeah,
Kind
well,
of sad.
here you can see that this is
using fire.
yeah.
It's very hard, so you can break it pretty easily. Yeah, and over here we have our iron, which we can sell.
Old iron.
Old iron and old pumps.
And it can
Tractor hood.
alternators, looks like.
This is how I made the tiles for the smoker. This thing.
Adobe bricks.
I'm probably gonna.
Old tires.
Yeah, we used to have a tire shop, but now it's
Those.
yeah, closed. We closed that because we weren't making lots of money. These are the structures for the solar panels. We build them right here under that roof there. And I'll show you my friend's chickens right away because we didn't do that in his video.
Or I'll show them.
Oh yeah. Or you will show them.
Maybe you can can see them. That's whatever that little brown thing. That's a Benton.
Yeah, there's a Benton somewhere. You can't really see him here.
Last video we talked about dogs. That's one of them. Another one.
Can't. Okay, right there.
That's more. This is just a young. It's not grown.
And-
Fully grown.
Yeah.
Look, did you see that?
Yeah.
It jumped and
They often sit on the trees. I often see them sitting on trees.
jumped and got a leaf.
They say it's good for the chickens if they jump for their food. And yeah, I'm gonna, my job, like, it will be about making, like, or getting incubators, and then I'll start hatching little chicks.
Now you can see the dog from closer. We have border collies. We have 3 border collies. These are ranger dogs. They're very funny sometimes. Look, I'm gonna just crawl to the other side and show you how he loves my saliva. He loves my saliva.
Yeah, probably because you ate. Hey, I'll get through it too, and then we should maybe just count your eggs that are out there. Not your eggs, the chicken's eggs. Family show here. Kind of hard squeezing through this old fence. That was hard.
Look at this. What I do, I kind of grab him here in the
I hit my
ears,
head.
and then do this. He just licks it off.
Licks it off? You mean he licks it? Now he got your dog, so he got your saliva on me. Look, that chicken there is a Benton.
That's the Benton if you want it. That's a Benton rooster. Some Benton roosters are a little bit littler. We have your peach trees.
Yep. Maybe I'll do a video on my apple trees. I have a little apple orchard out there, like 16 trees.
This is apricot. That's peach. This is apple. And I'm not sure what this is called in English. But yeah.
What? How is it in a different language?
Oh, I'm not even sure. Yeah.
Like German or something.
Yeah. Schleug. I think Schleug.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. But
That's little, like berries.
and around here, we do not really speak English, or we do
Our
just
home language, like a real language,
is
is
German.
This
Is a mad chicken.
it looks mad. It's a
Yeah.
Benton.
They always put their hair up in the back of their head if they're mad.
Look, special. Oh, my rooster should come in here.
You know what? Hey, look. That chicken, I think it's trying to breed. It's trying to breed, I think, because it tried to take an egg and shove it under. But look, there's a broken egg.
Hey, let's give it to your dog.
To mine? Or to your, yeah. To yours.
Oh, but this is actually, look how the hens love this. Look.
The chickens like eggshells, too. It's good for their,
Look at them. Look. Oh, the Bentons don't really. But look. Here.
Do you have names for your chickens?
Nah. I used to have, but I kind of forgot.
I only had names for my roosters. Sadly,
Look at that.
the dogs
Look at that.
Yep.
They love it and fight about it.
Let's look at the eggs on my head.
Yeah, let's take this thing off. This is how you gotta take it off. Look.
Yeah. We mentioned
This?
it in our other video too.
Or in this video.
Yeah, this video
Then you
and
take
the
that.
other one.
Oh, Bob. There you go. Huh.
Look,
There's only
two eggs.
2. Yeah.
I think this one's trying to breed already. There's no Benton eggs,
No, I don't know.
sadly.
Yeah. So. I wish the roof. Oh, there it comes. Go.
Look,
Did
there's
you come in? Look at it at its madness. Look. Look.
it gets
Look,
mad.
Look, it's getting mad.
Charges back.
Look. It's getting mad, look.
They use these roosters in chicken fights, these kind.
Sometimes.
Yeah, we were at a gas station. There were like boxes full of these roosters.
I think it got illegal. In the U.S., it's illegal, but
But they put
Mexico
razor
is-
blades on their claws.
yeah, that's what they do, and then they fight.
And
Their
then
claws,
they-
two of those fight, not against people. Yeah, whatever. Look. Oh man, it's mad.
It's getting dusty in here.
Yeah, I think we should. Like I don't think that it would ever give up. And if it would, look at those feathers. It's
Yeah, they're standing up.
Like it wants to
Look,
bite.
your dog is trying to get in.
Hi! Stupid dog.
He was like getting
Like
his
trying
claws
to-
into it.
Yeah.
Look at there. It is. Let's get out.
Yeah, I think this is enough.
Because it's dusty and my head's starting to hurt.
And sometimes I don't even notice that the rooster is coming like that, and it just bites in my heels, kind of like.
Did you close it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So you said that tree was a berry something?
Well, it's kind of like
Berries.
berries. It's like little.
Can you eat them?
Yeah.
Do you ever do it?
Look, these branches aren't good, but look, here you can see this is the kind of leaves it has. Okay, here's the little peaches.
Yeah.
We have-
Peaches.
Bitches. Oh, look, that's a different kind of. I think,
He meant peaches.
not bitches.
Yep.
So, that's about it, right?
Yep. That will be done. And we'll see you next time.
Yep.